Okay, what is the distance between these 2 points? Now, this is a lot of negatives. Okay, we have -9, -6, -2, -2. So when doing this problem, and this time I'll do just a really quick sketch where, oh, we have negative numbers, so we're going to be in this quadrant down here. So -9, my x-coordinate is the left and right number. My y-coordinate is the up and down number. So -6, and then -2, and -2. Okay, so my 2 points, -9, -6 is over here, -2 is over there. So what we're doing is we're finding the lengths of the triangles. And I know this is not to scale, okay? This is not how it looks like in real life. This is not the same distance as that, but it looks like it in the picture. But it's okay, guys. Bear with my horrible drawing, okay? So we have this point up here, this point over here. We want to find the distance that's the shortest. So a straight line from one point to the other. And on this, we have to find out how much we have for each leg. So you can put your triangle here. I always put my triangle below. You could have put your right triangle. I'm going to make it a dashed. If you want to put your right triangle up there, you can. I don't do that. I typically always go below. Okay. So the legs, the x distance between -9 and -2. Well, you can ignore the signs. How far is it to go from 2 to 9? Because if we went from 2 to 9 over here on the positive side, it's the same length as -2 to -9. Either way, there are 7 units here. 7 units. So this side is 7. And on this side, from 2 to 6, don't stress out about the signs, guys. How far is it to go from 2 to 6? It doesn't matter that we're negative. We're doing distance. That's a 4. So this is going to be 7 and 4 are our 2 legs. Go use your Google calculator and figure it out. That's going to be the square root. 7 squared plus 4 squared. 7 squared is 49. 4 squared is 16. And this is doing it by hand, guys. I'm a big old nerd. I love math. 7 squared is 49. 4 squared is 16. I haven't used my square root yet, so it's still there. 49 plus 16. 9 plus 6 is 15, carry the 1, 4, 5, 65, the square root of 65. I can't do this next step in my head. Hey, Google, what's the square root of 65?
Square root of 65 is approximately 8.062.
8.062. Okay, the square root of 65, it's the square root of 64 is 8, so it makes sense it'd be a little bit more than 8. The reason why this is a squiggly equal sign, because it's approximately. This number goes on forever and ever and ever. Google didn't tell me all the digits. It only gave me 3 decimal places. You can go calculate it online. It'll give you a lot of decimal places. But this right here, now sometimes they want this answer, sometimes they want that answer. But either way, you've got your calculator and it will help you out.